Good morning, everyone. My name is Pushpalata. I am going to explain the business law subject. The topic is breach of contract. The breach of contract is occur when a party failed to perform their contractual obligations without any law of excuses. Under the Indian Contract Act 1872, breach can result in the order party seeing remedies. They are seeing the remedies of breach of contracts. The types of breach is two types. First one is actual breach. Next one is anticipatory breach. The actual breach means this happens when the contract due that the form of performance has arrived or performance can already begin, but only party fail to perform or performs defectively. That is two types of divided into actual breach. First one is at the time of performance. The second one is during the performance. At the time of performance, the failure to perform. The party does not fulfill their obligations on the agreed date. For example, A supply promised to deliver 500 laptops to Infosys on 1st September but does not deliver them at all. Effect of agreements, party cannot sue to for damage or cancel of the contract. Next one is duration of performance. It includes the defective performance. It is also called as a defective performance. The party start performing between failure to complete it or performance is an unsatisfactory manner. That time is used for that during the performance contract will be performance of contract. For example, a builder agreed to contract an officer building for an Amazon but leaves the project half finished or before the substitution of material. Effect of the party may claim compensations for losses are cased. Next one is anticipatory breach. The anticipatory breach occurs when the party delivers into the advance before the due date. They will be already submitted the details, then they will be fulfill their contract. This happens on before the due date of performance. One party clearly declare the either variably or writing through the contract that will be not perform the part of the contract. This is called an anticipatory contract. For example, the refuses is made in advance, giving other party the options to treat the contract as breached immediately or wait until the actual due date. For example, A signature agrees with the performance of Flipkart annual event on 1st December but inform the company on 15th November they will be not attended. The Flipkart can be sure immediately for damages without waiting until the first date of November. This is an anticipatory breach. Next one is what are the cases of breach contract means non-performance obligations, then delivery in performance. There's several cases when breach contract will be appear. First one, non-performance of obligations, when one party completely fails to do what they promised under the contract. For example, A supplied agrees to send a raw material to manufacturing unit but deliver not at all. This is the direct breach and give the aggrieved party to rights to cancel the contract but claim damages. Next one is deliver the performance. When the contracted obligations is performed after the agreed time without any valid reason, the time of ensues in commercial contracts. For example, A constructions of company promised to complete an Infosys office building by 30th June but finished on October. cases the client, loss of business, many results of financial potentiality or cancellation of the contract. These are the contest cases of contract. Next one is defectiveness or improper performance. This is one of the case of contract. When the task is completed but not according to the agreed specifications or qualified standards. For example, A textile supplied deliveries to Amazon clothing divisions, but the fabric quality is lower than the agreed. The buyer can reject the goods, damage, demand replications of claim damages amount. This is called the cases of contract. Refusal of terms and conditions will be appeared in cases of contract when the parties goes against any clauses or conditions standard in the contract if is another obligation of fulfill their needs. This type of contract, for example, a IT company agrees to maintain the confidential in project for Walmart, but shares sensitive data with competitors. This can lead to the legal actions and terminations of the contract. It claims the losses. These are the contracts are appeared in the cases of contracts. Thank you for this session.